Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Let's see. Anything new? Not really. There's a giveaway going on, and I'll mention it again. I have decided that if you guys could get me to 3K before the end of June, I will add a fourth winner into the mix. So what I have for you today is GlossyBox, and there is other information down below if you are interested. Playlist, blah, 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 blah. Oh, that's right. GlossyBox is a box inside of a box, but this is new. And I don't know how much it costs. It'll be on the screen. I like this box. This is a pretty box, you guys. Look at that. That's nice. Wild thing, wild thing. And you open it up, and this is what you see. And something in here smells good. I really like the GlossyBox boxes. I think that they're perfect for storage. I think that they're really good for giving gifts out. I don't know. I like collecting them for those reasons. Not to keep, but you know what I mean. Okay, so you do get a pamphlet, and it does tell you what's in the box and how much everything costs. Why is it so different this month? I think that's really cool. If you guys know why it's different than the normal pink box, let me know. Okay, so the first thing I am seeing is a charcoal face mask by CBD FX. 50 milligrams of hemp-based cannabinoids. And it's just a face mask, and it retails for $6.99. That's cool. I'm always down for a face mask. The next thing I am pulling out is by Elemis, and it's Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. Elemis is a really good brand, but Cleansing Balm I will probably just pass along to somebody else. This retails for $14. Cleansing Balm isn't something that I use, and I'm pretty much, with my face cleansers, I stick to just a group of face cleansers, so I'll just pass this along. But Elemis is a really good brand. I can't even think. It's their superfood moisturizer. I usually wear it at night. I really love it's like a real earthy smell, and it's in the green bottle. I really like that product. The next thing I am pulling out is by Bella Pierre Cosmetics, and it's Kiss Proof Lip Cream in Rose Petal. And I'm not going to open it. I'm not going to swatch it. I will just pass this along. Bella Pierre is not really a brand that I collect or I use often. It's just not my jam. So this retails for $20. The next thing I am pulling out, and I'm definitely going to keep this, it's an I Do liquid eyeliner by Ico. So I am excited to try this because I love the Ico mascara. Now, that's not saying that the eyeliner is going to be awesome just because the mascara is awesome, in my opinion. But I am excited to try it because the mascara is so good. I'm excited to see if this holds up. So that's cool. And that retails for $22. And the last thing I'm pulling out is by Steve Laurent, and it is an eyeshadow palette for $38. And that's what that looks like. Okay, so now looking at it, it looks like the box is styled around the Steve Laurent product, which is okay. It's fun, but according to these, I will pass this along. These aren't my colors. Getting back into the neutral palettes, I see that that is something that has rolled back around, or the nudes, or the neutral palette. So they're just really not my cup of tea, but I'm happy to pass it along to someone else that will get some good use out of it. Those are some pretty colors. They're definitely pretty colors, but I'm not going to stick my fingers in any of them because I will pass that along. All right, you guys, so that was GlossyBox. I enjoyed the box. I'm not mad at it. I'm not keeping a lot of things. I'm actually keeping 2 things, but I'm not mad at it. I still think it was a good box. It's just not everything was my cup of tea, so that's great. I mean, it's fine. I'm totally happy with that. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and that's all I have for you today. Thank you for spending a little bit of time with me, stepping out of whatever your day involved, and hopefully it just took you out of your space for a minute and you enjoyed being in mine. Have a great day. Bye.